Hey guys, welcome back to Student Life. I'm here to tell you how to make and save money as a student. Let's start with making money. The obvious option, part-time jobs. Check with your campus's career and employability service for opportunities both on and off campus. Number 2, you can literally look for one-off opportunities as well, so open days or student ambassadorships. You might have to double check with your campus job service just to see if you'd have to sign up through them. Now, at the ending of a semester or the year, you might have a lot of books that you would not need to go through in the following year, or even if you're just finishing your degree. So to get some quick cash, you can resell your textbooks. Another option, which might not appeal to everyone, but reselling your clothes. It would not only help the environment, creating a sustainable fashion industry as you're passing on clothes, but it's just a nice way to get rid of the clothes that you know you probably would need, especially if you're going back home where the climate is completely different. Now that we've gotten the options for making money out of the way, which by the way is not an exhaustive list, we can now look at saving money. You can easily save money by shopping secondhand. Now for clothes, I always tend to go towards vintage fairs as they have top branded gear for really good prices. Now if you don't want to go to a physical clothing fair like the vintage fairs I just mentioned, there are online options such as eBay, Depop, and Vinted. These options really have good secondhand selection. I would recommend checking out the description before you buy, as it can influence whether or not you actually do purchase it or any alterations that you might have to make based on sizing, etc. You can also save money by shopping at budget-friendly stores, especially for groceries, as that can get a little pricey. Aldi and Lidl are secure options because they have a really big selection that can compare with the major supermarket lines. Or I would highly recommend signing up to the reward schemes of the major supermarkets, as they tend to offer really good rewards. Tesco, for one, has their vouchers, or you can tie your club card points to an airline or other services that they would offer. Morrison's has a scheme where you literally gain £5, etc., or £5 off on your next shop, depending on how many shops you have done to get to that point. Another thing to be mindful of is that non-branded or generic branded items will always be cheaper than the top brand in stores. Another way to save money, and probably the most popular among students, are student discounts. You can use so many different services to find out what student discounts are available where. Check out Uni Days, Student Beans, Save the Student, Voucher Codes Students. There are so many services you can look at online. Most likely, the only thing you need is your university email to sign up, and then you would have access to them all. If you're going in store though, I would always recommend at the checkout asking the clerk whether or not they have student discounts available, and just make sure and have your student ID on you. I hope some of these tips will help you as a student make or save money. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel right here for more videos, and check out all of our other socials for even more content.